This could not have happened without Related Affordable because of their national expertise.
Related Affordable has always committed to delivering long-term quality homes, and we're proud to continue their legacy as part of the history of this iconic building.
Related bought the Biltmore, and they asked us, would you help us rehab it? We immediately said yes. We knew that it was something that had to be done.
Related Affordable is just has a heart for preservation of properties around the country. They've done a marvelous job with this building, and we're just so thankful again to have them as a partner.
St. Mary's has been a blessing to every project that it's undertaken. It has saved a number of historic properties and buildings. I know firsthand the focus that they have on age in place, on the residents, on making certain that there's social opportunities, that there's health opportunities, that the residents get the care and the assistance that they need.
But thank all of you for what you've done, and thank all of you again for what you're going to do for Dayton.
I consider the Biltmore Towers to be a saving grace. We have such a terrific staff here at the Biltmore Towers. I found them compassionate, concerned, flexible, understanding, and patient. When I was approved, one of the happiest days in my recent life. The amenities that are offered to the residents here, plus the outside agencies that come in and provide different services. I don't believe you can find a facility anywhere that would offer you any better living conditions in your retirement or your years where you need assistance. I am proud to be a resident of the Biltmore Towers.